Yeah. Alright guys, I'm just going to quickly show you my MacBook Sata cable has stopped working. It's already happened to me about 2 years ago. Basically, as soon as you power it up, there's no drive detected by the Mac OS. The cable is basically knackered. The drive is fine. So here we go. I'm just going to quickly show you what it looks like. So as you can see, the drive is gone, and it's going to keep looping. There we go. So as you can see, the drive is fine, the cable's gone. So I'm just going to quickly show you what you really need to do. Alright, so in order to replace this cable and to prevent it from happening again, you'll need installation tape, a ribbon cable for the MacBook 2010, 2011 and 2012. They're pretty much the same thing. And you need to go to the back of your MacBook Pro, open up the screws, and then remove the back lead. And I'm going to remove this using the screws. Now remove the piece that's holding the hard drive over here. I'm going to gently remove the drive and then remove the SATA cable from the drive. The next thing I'm going to do is remove this bracket over here, 2 screws. There we go. Now we've removed this casing. The next thing I'm going to do is just gently remove it from there. That's completely come off now. There we go. Alright, so I've got the new one here. I've just put some insulation tape to prevent the cable from getting worn. I'm going to put some just underneath here as well, as you can see. So the drive's back in now. Make sure this is firmly seated using the insulation tape. Make sure that is connected. Well, let's put the cover back down. Here we go. There we go, we're going to open it up.